Good morning, my name is Jeff. I'm a sewer tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 13445 Northwest Keeton Park Lane here in Portland, Oregon. We're located at the front of the home, just beyond the front patio area here. In the bushes there is a 3-inch ABS cleanout. It's actually hiding underneath a green valve cover plate. This will be the point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Currently have a sink running inside. And I'm going to zero out the camera right here at the base of the cleanout and refer to this as the point of access. Here we go. And here at 15 feet out, it transitions over to 6-inch PVC pipe. The ABS section looks good. And we did just go through a section there with standing water. We'll see how that drains out at the very end. There would look to be quite a bit of standing water there. And here at 44 feet from the point of access, we have reached the main lateral out on Northwest Keeton Park Lane. I'm going to get the water turned off, let it drain out here for a few minutes so I can thoroughly check the PVC section to see how much standing water is there. Alrighty, most of the water is now drained out. There's a little trickling off. I'm going to go ahead and start reeling the camera back here. Alright, so we're back here at the transition. Now there's a little bit of water trickling off. This is pretty much how the line looks when there's nothing running through it. There's about 2 inches of standing water here. It's the water level's pretty much even with the ABS part that's coming into it. And the reason that is concerning is any debris that makes it into the PVC section can backflow itself into the ABS because the water level's even with the ABS section coming into it. I'm going to push out here to the end. You can see the amount of debris that's got hung up in here. There's quite a lot of debris. And for that reason, I'm going to recommend this section of the line be regraded so it has proper flow again, as the line has settled there and lost its grade. Right here at 30 feet, this is where the belly dissipates at and begins flowing again. I'm going to mark either end of the belly with a green X. Or, I'm sorry, I'll do the end of the belly here at 30 feet with a green X, and then the beginning of it with a green T, as it's also the transition from ABS to PVC. And then green lines or dots in between showing the direction the pipe runs. I will leave depths written on the ground, and I'll mention the location of the repair here in just a moment. Alrighty, so I did do a marking here. Again, it's a green X. We're right at the very edge of the sidewalk on the street side, so it does span underneath the entire width of the sidewalk anyway. It's at 6 feet 8 inches deep, and again marked with a green X. So I'm going to go ahead and reel back here to the beginning of the belly. We'll also do a marking in between the 2 points. Okay, I did do a marking here as well. We're at the edge of the yard. I just did a green line showing the direction the pipe is running. My locator is indicating it's about 7 feet 4 inches. It's deeper here, which isn't terribly uncommon, as the middle of the belly is usually the deepest part. But I would recommend the repair guys do some relocates just to ensure the depth is where it is. Generally, I don't see it change that much in depth between points like that. But it is right around 7 feet deep across the repair here so far. I'm going to go ahead and keep reeling back. And I'm going to do my final marking right here at the transition. And again, I'll mark this with a green T. Alrighty, just did the last marking here, green T. We're in the middle of the front yard now. So about 60% of it is under the grass, about 30% roughly is under the concrete sidewalk right now. And I'm getting 7 feet deep here as well. So it looks like it's right around 7 feet deep across the whole repair, which is normal when you have a belly. You're not going to see normal grading as it goes deeper, deeper, deeper. But when I get out the sidewalk there, I'm getting about 6 feet 8 inches. I would use some caution, possibly relocate to get a double check on the depth out the sidewalks. But I'm getting a pretty consistent 7 feet across. It just gets shallower once I get out furthest, which is a little bit unusual. And I do recommend re-scoping after the repair to ensure that proper grade has been met. I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera out.